Menopause is a natural biological process that marks the end of a woman's reproductive years. It typically occurs in the late 40s or early 50s and is characterized by the cessation of menstrual periods. While menopause is a normal part of aging, it can bring about a range of physical and emotional symptoms that can impact daily life. Hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and sleep disturbances are just a few of the common experiences. Understanding menopause and its effects is the first step in managing this important life transition. Hormone Replacement Therapy, or HRT, is a treatment designed to relieve symptoms of menopause by replenishing hormones that the body no longer produces. The main hormones involved are estrogen and progesterone. HRT can be administered in several forms, including pills, patches, gels, and creams. The goal is to restore hormonal balance and alleviate the discomfort that often accompanies menopause. For many women, HRT offers significant relief and helps them maintain a better quality of life during this transition. HRT is particularly effective in managing the most troublesome symptoms of menopause. Hot flashes, which can be sudden and intense, are often reduced in frequency and severity. Night sweats, another common complaint, can also be alleviated, leading to better sleep. Additionally, HRT can help with vaginal dryness, mood swings, and even bone loss. By targeting these symptoms, HRT helps women feel more comfortable and confident as they navigate this stage of life. There are several types of hormone replacement therapy available, each tailored to individual needs. Estrogen-only HRT is typically prescribed for women who have had a hysterectomy, while combined HRT, which includes both estrogen and progesterone, is recommended for women with an intact uterus. The choice of therapy depends on medical history, symptoms, and personal preferences. Understanding the different options allows women and their healthcare providers to make informed decisions about treatment. HRT works by supplementing the body with hormones that are no longer being produced in sufficient quantities. Estrogen helps regulate many functions in the body, including temperature control and bone health. Progesterone is added to protect the lining of the uterus in women who still have one. By restoring these hormones, HRT helps to stabilize the body's systems and reduce the severity of menopausal symptoms, making daily life more manageable. Hormone replacement therapy can be delivered in a variety of ways to suit individual preferences and medical needs. Pills are a common choice, but patches, gels, and creams offer alternatives for those who prefer not to take oral medication. Some women may use vaginal rings or tablets for localized symptoms. The method of delivery can influence how the body absorbs the hormones and may affect the risk of side effects. Discussing these options with a healthcare provider ensures the best fit for each person. Benefits of hormone replacement therapy extend beyond symptom relief. HRT can help maintain bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. It may also improve mood, energy levels, and overall sense of well-being. For many women, HRT restores confidence and allows them to remain active and engaged in their daily lives. These positive effects make HRT a valuable option for managing the challenges of menopause. While HRT offers many benefits, it is important to be aware of potential risks. Some studies have linked HRT to an increased risk of blood clots, stroke, and certain types of cancer, particularly breast cancer. The risk varies depending on the type of HRT dosage and duration of use. It is essential to weigh the benefits against the risks and to have regular checkups with a healthcare provider to monitor health while on HRT. HRT is not suitable for everyone, but it can be a good option for women experiencing moderate to severe menopausal symptoms that interfere with daily life. Women who have a history of certain medical conditions, such as breast cancer, blood clots, or liver disease, may need to avoid HRT. A thorough medical evaluation and discussion with a healthcare provider are crucial to determine if HRT is appropriate. Every woman's experience with menopause is unique, and so is the approach to HRT. Dosage, type of hormones, and method of delivery can all be adjusted to meet individual needs and preferences. Regular follow-ups with a healthcare provider help ensure that the therapy remains effective and safe. Personalizing HRT maximizes benefits while minimizing risks, making it a flexible solution for managing menopause. For women who cannot or prefer not to use HRT, there are alternative treatments available. Lifestyle changes, such as maintaining a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management, can help manage symptoms. Non-hormonal medications and natural remedies may also provide relief. It's important to explore all options and find the approach that works best for each individual's needs and circumstances. Simple lifestyle modifications can have a significant impact on managing menopausal symptoms. Eating a balanced diet rich in calcium and vitamin D supports bone health, while regular physical activity helps maintain a healthy weight and reduces stress. Avoiding triggers like caffeine and spicy foods can minimize hot flashes. Prioritizing sleep and practicing relaxation techniques also contribute to overall well-being during menopause. Non-hormonal medications are another option for managing menopausal symptoms. Certain antidepressants, blood pressure medications, and anti-seizure drugs have been shown to reduce hot flashes and improve mood. These medications may be suitable for women who cannot take hormones due to medical reasons. As with any treatment, it's important to discuss potential benefits and side effects with a healthcare provider. Some women turn to natural remedies to manage menopausal symptoms. Herbal supplements like black cohosh, soy, and red clover are popular choices, though their effectiveness varies. Mind-body practices such as yoga, meditation, and acupuncture can also provide relief. While natural remedies are generally considered safe, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement or therapy. Navigating menopause and HRT is best done with the support of a knowledgeable healthcare provider. Regular checkups and open communication ensure that any changes in symptoms or health status are addressed promptly. Medical guidance helps tailor treatment plans, monitor for side effects, and provide reassurance throughout the menopausal transition. Once HRT is started, it's important to monitor its effects closely. Regular follow-up appointments allow healthcare providers to assess how well the therapy is working and make adjustments as needed. Blood tests, physical exams, and discussions about symptoms all play a role in ensuring that HRT remains safe and effective over time. As a woman's needs change, her HRT regimen may need to be adjusted. Dosages can be increased or decreased, and the type of hormones or delivery method can be modified. Regular communication with a healthcare provider ensures that the therapy continues to meet her needs and minimizes the risk of side effects. Length of time a woman stays on HRT varies depending on her symptoms and health profile. Some women may need only short-term therapy to get through the worst of their symptoms, while others may benefit from longer use. The decision should be made in partnership with a healthcare provider, taking into account the latest research and individual risk factors. When it's time to stop HRT, it's important to do so gradually and under medical supervision. Abruptly discontinuing hormones can lead to a return of symptoms. A healthcare provider can help develop a plan to taper off the medication safely, minimizing discomfort and supporting a smooth transition. One of the lesser-known benefits of HRT is its positive effect on bone health. Estrogen plays a key role in maintaining bone density, and its decline during menopause increases the risk of osteoporosis. HRT can help prevent bone loss and reduce the risk of fractures, making it an important consideration for women at risk of osteoporosis. Relationship between HRT and heart health is complex. Some studies suggest that HRT may offer cardiovascular benefits if started early in menopause, while others indicate potential risks. The impact depends on factors such as age, timing, and individual health history. Discussing heart health with a healthcare provider is essential when considering HRT. One of the most discussed risks of HRT is its association with breast cancer. Research indicates that combined HRT may slightly increase the risk, especially with long-term use. Estrogen-only HRT appears to have a lower risk. It's important to discuss personal and family history of breast cancer with a healthcare provider before starting HRT. HRT, particularly in pill form, can increase the risk of blood clots in some women. This risk is higher for those with a personal or family history of clotting disorders. Alternative delivery methods such as patches or gels may carry a lower risk. Understanding these factors helps women make informed choices about their treatment. Some studies have linked HRT to a slightly increased risk of stroke, particularly in older women or those who start therapy later in menopause. The risk is generally low for healthy women under 60 who begin HRT close to the onset of menopause. Regular monitoring and choosing the right type of HRT can help minimize this risk. There's some evidence that long-term use of HRT may be associated with a small increase in the risk of ovarian cancer. The absolute risk remains low, but it's important for women to be aware of this possibility and to discuss any concerns with their healthcare provider when considering HRT. Effects of HRT on cognitive health and memory are still being studied. Some research suggests that starting HRT around the time of menopause may help protect cognitive function, while starting later may not offer the same benefits. More research is needed, but it's an important area of consideration for women concerned about memory and brain health. Menopause can affect sexual health, leading to symptoms like vaginal dryness and discomfort during intercourse. HRT can help restore vaginal moisture and elasticity, improving comfort and sexual satisfaction. For many women, this is an important benefit that enhances quality of life and intimate relationships. Mood swings, anxiety, and depression are common during menopause. HRT can help stabilize mood by balancing hormone levels. While it may not be a cure-all, many women report feeling more emotionally stable and less irritable while on HRT. Emotional well-being is a key part of overall health during menopause. Sleep disturbances are a frequent complaint during menopause, often due to night sweats and hormonal changes. HRT can help improve sleep quality by reducing these symptoms. Better sleep leads to improved energy, mood, and overall quality of life, making this a significant benefit for many women. Weight gain is a common concern during menopause. While HRT is not a weight loss treatment, it may help prevent the redistribution of body fat that often occurs with hormonal changes. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and balanced nutrition, remains essential for weight management during menopause. Declining estrogen levels during menopause can lead to changes in skin texture and elasticity. HRT may help improve skin hydration and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, contributing to a more youthful appearance. While not a substitute for skincare, HRT can be part of a comprehensive approach to maintaining healthy skin. Some women experience joint pain and stiffness during menopause. HRT may help reduce these symptoms by maintaining hormonal balance. Improved joint comfort can make it easier to stay active and enjoy daily activities, further supporting overall health and well-being. Menopause can lead to changes in urinary health, such as increased frequency or urgency. HRT may help improve bladder function and reduce these symptoms, contributing to greater comfort and confidence in daily life. Discussing urinary symptoms with a healthcare provider can help identify the best treatment options. Hormonal changes during menopause can affect eye health, leading to dryness and discomfort. HRT may help maintain eye moisture and reduce irritation. Regular eye exams and proper eye care are also important for women during and after menopause. Some women notice changes in hair texture or increased hair loss during menopause. HRT may help slow these changes by stabilizing hormone levels. While results vary, maintaining a healthy diet and gentle hair care practices can also support hair health during this time. Menopause can impact dental health, increasing the risk of gum disease and dry mouth. HRT may help maintain oral health by supporting tissue hydration. Regular dental checkups and good oral hygiene are essential for preventing problems during menopause. Hormonal changes can affect digestion, leading to symptoms like bloating or changes in bowel habits. HRT may help regulate these symptoms for some women. Eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and regular physical activity also play important roles in digestive health during menopause. Estrogen influences the immune system, and its decline during menopause can affect immune function. HRT may help support immune health, though more research is needed. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including proper nutrition and regular exercise, is also important for immune support. For many women, the most significant benefit of HRT is an improved quality of life. By reducing bothersome symptoms and supporting overall health, HRT allows women to remain active, engaged, and confident during and after menopause. The decision to use HRT is personal and should be made with careful consideration and medical guidance. Open and honest communication with your healthcare provider is essential when considering HRT. Discuss your symptoms, medical history, and concerns to develop a treatment plan that aligns with your goals and values. Your doctor can provide up-to-date information and help you make informed decisions about your health. Medical research on HRT is ongoing, and recommendations may change as new evidence emerges. Staying informed and regularly reviewing your treatment plan with your healthcare provider ensures that you receive the best possible care. Knowledge empowers you to make choices that support your health and well-being. Menopause is not just a physical transition, it can also be an emotional journey. Feelings of loss, anxiety, or uncertainty are common. Support from family, friends, and healthcare providers can make a big difference. Remember, you are not alone, and help is available to guide you through this stage of life. Connecting with others who are experiencing menopause can provide comfort and practical advice. Support groups, online forums, and community resources offer opportunities to share experiences and learn from others. Building a support network helps women feel understood and empowered during menopause. Menopause marks a new chapter in life, full of opportunities for growth and self-discovery. With the right support and information, women can navigate this transition with confidence. Whether choosing HRT or other approaches, the goal is to maintain health, happiness, and a sense of well-being in the years ahead. Hormone replacement therapy plays a significant role in managing the symptoms of menopause for many women. By understanding the benefits, risks, and alternatives, women can make informed choices about their health. Regular medical guidance, lifestyle adjustments, and support networks all contribute to a positive menopausal experience. Remember, every woman's journey is unique, and there are many paths to well-being during and after menopause.